Another way to request descriptive statistics is to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Descriptives. You can place the variables that you're interested in into the box. And then in Options, you can click off whatever you're interested in. These are the default set that I recommend. Then you press Continue and press OK. So Descriptives does not give you the option to create a chart. And you can see here it's given the same output that a frequencies command would give you, only the statistics are listed in the columns rather than in different rows, but these values are exactly the same as you would get. You also don't get a frequency table, and you can't request a bar chart or a histogram. But the advantage to using Descriptives command is that you can request standardized values. So going back into the Descriptives box, if we check off right here, save standardized values as variables, then that will create a new variable called Z% at the end of our data set, which is essentially a Z-score for each of the values in this variable. So we have essentially calculated all of the Z-scores for this entire variable for every participant. So this gives us an idea of how common or how unlikely each value of final percent grade is. So you can see that this score of 41% in the course is associated with a Z-score of minus 3.24, which indicates that this is an extreme or unlikely score, which is good if these are the final percent grades in the course. You don't want everyone to be failing. As we get closer to the mean, which SPSS told us was around 80, then you can see that the Z-scores are really, really close to 0. And at the high end, the Z-scores go up to about 1.5.